Today is day 2 of our workshop. This is Dr. Levante from Hungary. He is a class act. He is a European physician, and these guys who are trained in our type of medicine are a par way above most everyone else. He has been trained by Dr. Lahadny himself, and now he's seen how we do the high-dose ozone, the 10 pass, and I wanted to ask him, what do you think of our training?
I can't tell you what the difference is this, and it's so much easier. It's so much better than what I did before, and it's blowing my mind that it could be so nice and easy, and it makes such a difference for us and especially for the patient, because you have time, you know what to do, and you have much more possibilities to do a proper treatment.
Is this something you recommend to colleagues?
If you want to learn, as I told you before, come here, don't do nothing else, and learn this, because that makes a difference for your patients, and it will make a difference for your life also. A nice and easy treatment, and you don't have this, oh, now I have to do this, now I have to do that. It's nice and calm, and use the equipment what you can learn here, because it makes your life easier.
It took you a lot of time. You come from Hungary, and expense, and of course you have to pay our fee. Was it worth the money and time?
Oh, the double fee is worth it, because you know, everything makes your life easier, makes your patient's life easier. So anybody who would like to do this treatment, which is amazing treatment, come here and learn this.
Thank you very much.
Not at all.
Thank you. All right, today's date is June 1st, 2019, the second day of our ozone workshop. We're here with Dr. Kara. Comments on the workshop, dear?
Workshop was wonderful. I really felt you completely stressed the importance of safety, the science behind the ozone, and I really felt like you carried us through each step and helped us understand each step. And I got multiple treatments, injections.
How did they do for you?
So at first I could feel, you know, some die off of things, and then I did the 10 pass today, and I feel wonderful. It's the clearest my brain has felt in a long time, so I'm very excited.
Yeah. Did we do some local injections on you too?
You did my sacroiliac joints, you did my pelvic.
How did your sacroiliac?
Much better.
On a
Yep.
scale of 10?
10 being
the best.
The best, yeah. No, I'm probably up to an 8 or 9.
Pretty good with one session.
With one session, and then my jaw, you did both sides, my TMJ, and that got up to about a 7 or 8. There's some other things going on with bite, so I didn't expect that one.
Great.
So
is this something you'd recommend to others?
Absolutely.
Worth the money?
Definitely.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Food good too?
Oh, best.
All right.
That might have even been better than the conference.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Okay. Thanks.
That's how excellent.
I can post this?
Yes, you can.
Thanks.
All right.
This is Dr. Brian from Salt Lake City, June 1st, 2019. What did you think of our 2-day workshop?
It was incredible. It's a great experience, a lot of hands-on experience. So we're actually getting to do the work. It's one of the best conferences I've ever been to. So
I like to hear that. Thank you. Worth the money?
Very much worth the money.
Very much worth it. Great. Good food?
So awesome. Oh, the food is totally awesome. Dr. Sue does just the best job of coming up with the best meals that are even available anywhere.
Good.
Yeah,
Recommend this to colleagues?
Anybody who's interested in helping another person, a patient, needs to attend this kind of a conference.
Thank you very much. I may post this?
You may.
Good.
Yep.
Thank you. Today's date is June 1st. It's the end of our workshop. This is Dr. Joe all the way from Pennsylvania, long ways. Comments on the workshop?
It was just wonderful. The whole experience was just phenomenal, from the training to the food to the like-minded individuals that we got to meet, and of course yourself was great.
Thank you. Were you surprised by some of the results you saw, or did you expect it?
After watching your YouTube videos, I kind of expected a lot of great things, and I wasn't disappointed.
Okay. Thank you very much. May I post this?
Oh, absolutely.
And you would recommend this to colleagues?
Oh, I will. I'll be doing that.
Worth the price?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank you.
This is Dr. Russ at the end of day one of our May 31st workshop. You're not staying for day two. Can I have your comments on what you learned today and what you thought of the workshop?
It was great to have you train me. I've worked with ozone for a number of years and have experience with some other training organizations, and significant pearls and tricks of the trade, and I really appreciate your unique perspective, Robert, and even just some of the wrap around how to help people to not have Herxheimer reactions and little things of very worth coming to this training. Thank you,
very
Robert.
much. It was worth the time and the money?
Absolutely.
Wow, wonderful.
Yes.
I may put this on YouTube?
Please do.
Thank you so much. Today's date is June 1st, 2019. This is Dr. Blair, who's a dentist who came up spontaneously, no notice, from Southern California to our workshop. Do you have any comments on the workshop?
Absolutely. I was not spontaneous about coming up here. Arrived yesterday to my office, and I wanted to be able to go learn how to provide this to my patients immediately, confidently, go home and know that I'm going to put that machine to work tomorrow's Sunday, and I will be doing it, and I feel confident that I can. The best thing about this course was while Dr. Rowan answered my questions as far as financial charges, and that the entire 2 days was dedicated, devoted to the benefits for the patients, the safety for my patients, and I can tell that he is 100% doing this for his patients. And
You'd recommend this course for others?
absolutely, everyone, if you
Worth the money?
way more valuable.
Thank you for that. I
Absolutely.
really appreciate that. And I'd like to post this on YouTube.
Go for it.
Thank you very much.
Right. No, thank you. Thank you.
I was not good with this. I always mess up stuff for some reason. I don't
Sorry,
know
what did
why.
you say?
I'm not good giving the interviews for some
Those are the
reason.
best ones.
That
Those are
is
most
good.
sincere ones. Those are most
It is. This is Dr. Gordana,
Gligoric, I'm from San Antonio. Actually, I have a
from
private
Texas.
practice. Yes.
Did you get anything out of the
Oh
workshop?
yes, I came here actually to learn 10 passes machine, and I'm very pleased with the
You're very-
training and everything. Yeah, it was great. And actually, I had my shoulders for first time have been injected, and I feel like 80-90% better. It was great.
One treatment.
One treatment, yes.
80 to 90% better, and it was
Yes.
great. Okay,
Yes.
it was worth coming?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
The time, energy, and money as well?
Yes, it was great.
Good, thank you. I'd like to be able to post this.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much for all help.
Okay. This is Dr. Faiz Khan. Where are you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York.
You came a long way.
I did.
Comments?
Yes, absolutely. Great course. I think it was not a coincidence that I ran into Dr. Rowan at the AAEM conference. I was looking to move into the integrative space. Ozone is definitely a legitimate modality, and I am lucky to have learned from one of the pioneers of ozone. It was a great course. I wish it was a little longer, but as far as having access to Dr. Rowan, his knowledge base, his staff, they were extremely dedicated and were always available to answer questions and go through things over and over again. So well worth the money, well worth the trip, and maybe coming back for a second round.
Wow.
So, or sending the staff
Okay.
if I get a staff.
Thank you. Hey, group, how was the food?
Amazing. Oh my gosh, and that's from a meat eater.
Amazing.
Okay. And here's a meat eater who
Yeah,
loves our vegetarian
big time
food.
carnivore
Okay.
converted.
Thank you all for coming. It's an honor that you would come all this way. And I'm going to get us all, if I know how to do it, how do I get a selfie of us?
You gotta flip the. There's a.
The
There's a flip
screen, the
around.
camera screen.
That you can.
Today is June 1st, 2019. This is Dr. Malcolm Sickles from Ann Arbor, Michigan. And I just wanted your comments on the value of our two-day workshop.
Dr. Rowan's great at giving a nice comprehensive introduction and skill building with doing ozone, and especially with the hyperbaric ozone. So we all got a chance to do several treatments, and especially with doing the hyperbaric ozone is a little more complicated, so getting our hands on and having a chance to really get comfortable with it was especially helpful.
Worth coming?
Definitely.
Were you surprised at some of the results of patients and attendees here with regards to ozone injections?
I couldn't say I was that surprised because I'm already familiar with the ozone.
Okay. But it was nice to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
thanks.
And
Okay.
always good to get more skill with doing injections, which I think is one of the tricky parts.
Okay.
'Cause everybody has different approaches, and
Worth coming out?
yes.
Thank you very much. May I post this?
Sure.
Thank you.